Well, this is my second video on preliminary of conic section. In this video, I will discuss topic number 3, that is general definition of a cone, and topic number 4, that is general equation of a cone when its focus, its directrix and eccentricity are given. In my first video, I have discussed topic number 1 and topic number 2. If yet you has not seen this video, go and check it out. It will be very helpful. Okay, let's start our discussion. In analytical definition of a conic section, we will discuss conic section, focus, directrix, eccentricity, axis, vertex, center, and locus rector. First, conic section. What is conic section? A conic section or conic is the locus of a point P which moves in such a way that its distance from a fixed point S always bears a constant ratio to its distance from a fixed line, where all the line and this point and S lying on same plane. Clear? Have a look this diagram. If our this fixed point S with coordinate alpha beta and P be any point on the locus, and this is our fixed straight line L dash, then the path of the moving particle will be called a conic section if ratio between distance from P point to S point and distance from P point to this straight line always constant, and this constant is denoted by symbol E, that is SP, that means distance from P to S, divided by PM, that is distance from P to this straight line, is equal to E, and this E is called eccentricity, and this E is equal to always constant. CUN is constant. If this condition holds, then the moving path, then the path of the moving particle is called conic section. Now we have discussed focus, directrix. This straight line is called directrix. This point S is called focus. This E is called eccentricity. The axis, this line x dash is called axis. Axis is the straight line passing through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix. This is our directrix, and this point S is focus. And vertex, this point, the vertex is the point of intersection of conic section and the axis is called vertices of the conic section. This is our axis, and the point, if this is our locus of the conic section, then this point is called vertex of the conic section. Now center of the conic section, the point which bisects every chord of the conic passing through it is called a center of the conic section. For example, if we take this oval type shape curve, then this point is called center of this curve. This curve is called ellipse. I will discuss next time. Now latus rectum. The latus rectum of a conic is the chord passing through the focus. This point is focus, passing through the focus and perpendicular to the axis. If this is axis and this is focus, then this line is called, and this line is called latus rectum of this conic section. Clear? Now depending upon the value of E, that is eccentricity of this conic section, we will classify different kinds of conic section. Number 1, if E less than 1, then this conic section is called ellipse, and shape of ellipse is oval type, this or this. And second, if E is equal to 1, then the conic section is called parabola. And parabola is like this. This is parabola. and if e greater than 1, then the conic section is called hyperbola. Hyperbola has two branches, this one is this direction and another is this direction, or another is this direction and other is this direction. Clear? Now for if e is equal to 1, then this conic section is circle. This is our circle. Clear? Now general equation of a conic section when focus, directrix and eccentricity are given. In this picture, S with coordinate alpha beta is focus. This straight line having equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is directrix. We know this point P lie on the conic section if the condition SP divided by PM is equal to E holds well. Now SP is distance from this point to this point S, and this distance SP is equal to root over of h minus alpha square plus k minus beta square, and the distance from this point P to this straight line we know this mod of a h plus b k plus c divided by root over of a square plus b square. Here this, if we take both side square, then we will have this section. Thus the locus of the point hk, if we substitute x in the place of h and k in the and y in the place of k, we will have this. If we simplify this, then we will have this equation ax square plus twice hxy plus by square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c is equal to 0, which is the general equation of our second degree. Now this equation ax square plus twice hxy plus by square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c is equal to 0 will represent a pair of straight line if del is equal to this is equal to 0, and represent a circle if del not is equal to 0 and a is equal to b and h is equal to 0. Then we will have a x square plus a y square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c is equal to 0. This is equal to x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. This is our general formula of circle. Now for parabola, del not is equal to 0, h square is equal to ab, and parabola equation we will have y square is equal to 4ax or x square is equal to 4ay. This is the equation, standard equation of parabola. Now ellipse, when del not is equal to 0 and h square less than ab, then we will have ellipse, and equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is standard equation of ellipse. Now hyperbola, when del not is equal to 0 and h square greater than ab, then we will have equation of hyperbola, and hyperbola is equation of hyperbola is a square by x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is our standard equation of hyperbola. Now when del not is equal to 0 and h square greater than ab and a plus b is equal to 0, then we will have rectangular hyperbola, and equation of rectangular hyperbola is x y is equal to c, where c is constant. Clear? Now we will discuss circle, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola in separate videos.
So dear friends and students, if this video helps you even a little bit, give a thumbs up, leave your comment and share this video with all of your friends. Okay? Until next video, stay well, stay safe, tata.